on the grounds here of amazing Rocky Mountain Cottage in Hilltown in County Down in Northern Ireland on this absolutely stunning day. The sun is blasting, and today Sharon and Mel will be married in this amazing space at 3 p.m. And joining me here on the grounds is our own graduate, Aine Gregory, celebrant Aine Gregory from Life Mark Ceremonies.
Right.
Thank you so much for making the trek all the way over.
Thank
to
you
be
very
here
much,
today.
Ian. Great to be here. Great to be here. And thank you very much for giving me the invitation.
And thank you so much to Mel and Sharon for allowing this opportunity as well.
Thank you. Yeah.
For
yeah.
sure, definitely. Your first wedding, Aine, is the end of June, I believe?
Yes, coming up fast and furious. Yeah. So it's lovely to be here just to get those hands-on experience, just to calm the nerves a wee bit and just to see what happens in real life. You can't do enough preparation, and it's just nice to be part of this today.
Absolutely. And as I've gone through with Caroline, I have shown you also the marriage schedule that we use here for Northern Ireland, just the one pager. And this is a brilliant experience for you today to see this so
Absolutely.
close to the time of your own legal wedding that you have coming up very, very soon.
Yeah. You just want everything right for the couple. You just want, as Caroline said, all the T's crossed and the I's dotted and just everything right to ensure that it all runs smoothly for the couple.
Totally. We look after the ceremony. We mind them like babies. And they're under our care until that ceremony is finished. Everything is signed and you've packed up and you leave. And that's it. It goes so very fast.
And you mind us like babies too, Lorraine. You mind us like babies.
I
And you
hope
look
like
after
yourself.
us so well.
Well, you have big news as well because congratulations, you have become a grandma for the first time.
Well, when you said Life Mark Ceremonies, that resonated with me there and I, because that was a huge mark in my life and it's something to be celebrated. Yes, the arrival of our first grandchild, and she is just magnificent, Margot. She is just amazing, and that has to be marked as well. So I'm delighted. On Sunday I will be performing a baby naming ceremony in my garden for our precious Miss Marcus. I'm excited for that as well.
Yeah.
And excited that Neve and Paul have trusted me with that beautiful ceremony.
Well, of course they have. Who else? I mean, absolutely, Aine.
Yeah.
Again, we'll hopefully have a little check-in at the end of the ceremony today and we'll learn what you learned from today's experience.
Thank you so much.
But to Neve, little Margot, your son-in-law, and to Kevin and Fergal and all your family, massive congratulations from all of us here at the Future Faith team. And I love seeing the little pictures and the videos that you send me of little marvellous Margot.
She's very precious. She really is a magnificent Margot, as we call her. She's a dote. So thank you.
Celebrant Aine Gregory, thank you so much from Life Mark Ceremonies. Thank you.